Each society in the world has its own distinctive art. It is a characteristic of their culture. The same is true with the vibrant and expressive Gond art practiced by the Gond tribe of Madhya Pradesh, India. In this video, we will explore and discuss the lively, expressive and colorful Gond art. We will discuss its history, origin, discovery, styles and other interesting and unknown facts. So let's start.
Welcome to the YouTube channel of Swadeshs. Here we create beautiful and informative videos on Indian art and culture. If you find value, please like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get regular updates.
Also, you can purchase beautiful artifacts from www.swadeshs.com. The link is in the description. Having adequate similarity with the cave wall paintings from the Mesolithic period. The history of Gond people as well as Gond art can be dated back more than 1400 years. The word Gond is derived from the Dravidian word Gond, meaning green mountain. They are one of the largest tribal community in India, primarily from Madhya Pradesh, while small populations can also be found in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Orissa. Agriculture or day labor is their main livelihood. Traditionally, there were two major styles of Gond painting, Digna and Bhitti Chitra. Digna, the traditional geometric design, is used by the Gonds in decorating the walls and floors of their home. Bhitti Chitra are the representations of the animals, plants and trees on the walls of their home. Women were traditionally the artists of the community who used to create the Digna and Bhitti Chitra. They use natural colors to paint the walls and floors of their home. The present-day Gond paintings have evolved from Digna and Bhitti Chitra. Earlier, there was no stylization, there was no individual artist signature. Everybody used a standard basic style that was primarily done with dots. Did you know that the dot pattern of drawing is also used in wheel painting of India? To know more about wheel art, click in the I button. Over time, Gond artists started to create their own unique styles and patterns like dots, fine lines, curved lines, dashes, fish scales, drops of water, seed shapes, geometrical shapes, etc. Various themes are depicted through Gond paintings. Nature is one of the major subjects. Another area from where the artists drew inspiration are the legends and the myths. Other illustrated themes in this painting style include representations of Hindu gods and goddesses, especially Ganesha, tree of life, jungle scenes, peacocks, crabs, mythical beasts, lions and tigers, and other animals. One important aspect of Gond painting is the representation of the trees. The trees are important to humans and animals alike and are important for various reasons like shelter, shade, food and so. Apart from that, the trees are also important symbolically and attached with the folklores of Gond people. Some important trees that are depicted over and over again in the Gond paintings are Ganja Mahua tree, Saja tree, Pakri tree, Peepal tree and Tamarind tree. The Gond tribe considers that seeing a Gond painting is extremely lucky for them. Thus, creating a Gond painting for a variety of occasions like Diwali, Karwa Chauth, Nag Panchami are hugely popular and customary amongst the Gond people. Paintings are also created for marriages and births that in turn serves the purpose of record keeping. Illustrations with hugely elaborative motifs and design patterns have caught the eye of many. Each object they encounter in life, be it social or environmental, undergoes an aesthetic transformation through their hand. Paintings usually convey some meaning or story that explains man's close connection with his natural surroundings. The traditional Gond art form was initially restricted to home decorations and was not known to outsiders. But at present, the artists also create Gond paintings on canvas that make the art form popular outside the confines of the local region. In older painting, only natural colors were used. White, green, black, yellow and red were the main colors used traditionally. Yellow was obtained from the clay. Roasted clay provides the Indian red. The color green was obtained from the leaves. Tesu flower provides the yellow and it can be processed to obtain orange. Bougainvillea also yields some colors like yellow, pink, purple and dark Indian red. But at present, synthetic colors are mostly used in the creation of the artwork. To begin with, the artists create dots and determine volume of the images. Connecting these dots would create the outer form, which would then be filled with colors. On-line work is a term used to describe Gond art. This art is made out of skillfully drawn lines, frequently in contrasting colors, which is really captivating. The painting details conveys both the mobility and the current status of the artist in the community. There is a strong resemblance of Gond painting with the Aboriginal art of Australia. People who are unfamiliar with Gond art mistake it for Madhubani, even though the two art forms have different origins and styles. In fact, we have a detailed video on Madhubani art. You can check this informative video on Madhubani by clicking on the I button link. In 1982, J. Swaminathan, an Indian painter, poet and writer who was then the director of Bharat Bhavan in Bhopal, made Gond art prominent. Some famous Gond artists are Jangar Singh Syam, pioneering Gond artist credited with being the creator of a new school of Indian art called Jangar Kalam. Venkat Sham, awarded the Rajya Hasta Shilpa Puraskar by the government of Madhya Pradesh in 2002. Bhajju Sham, awarded with India's fourth highest civilian award, the Padma Shri in 2018. Durgabai Vyam. She is one of the foremost female Gond artists based in Bhopal. She co-authored the book The Nightlife of Trees along with Bhajju Syam and Ram Singh Urveti that won the Italian Bologna Ragazzi in 2008. Subhas Vyam, recipient of Rajya Hasta Shilpa Puraskar by the government of Madhya Pradesh in 2002. This 1400 years old art form blended with mystery, pattern, mixture of colors and humor that evolves and stands strong with the taste of time, nurtures the true nature of the art and artistic manifestation through its flowy lines and patterns, meanders, bends and flows like a delightful river.
Hope you find the video useful and informative. Comment and let us know if we missed something. Please like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.